Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iOS 17 flashlight not working issue on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to iOS 17 they are facing an issue of face light, that their flashlight is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I will tell you how to do this. So guys, our step number one is first of all restart your device. A simple restart can fix these type of issues. So what you have to do is simply open your settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check your control center. Make sure you are using the control center correctly to turn on the flashlight. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access to the control center and then tap on the flashlight icon. After this, then you have to do is toggle flashlight in control center. If the flashlight icon is grayed out in the control center, try toggling it on and off. And see if this worked or not. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for software updates. Ensure that your iOS device is running the latest version of iOS operating system. So what you have to do is simply open your settings and tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is simply reset your all settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iOS 17 flashlight not working issue on iPhone. So guys, subscribe.